Welcome everyone to this lecture. In here, we want to study about loops in Python. Loops are essential for automating repetitive tasks in programming, and Python provides two main loop structures. One is for loop and the other one is while loop. For loop used for iterating our sequence like a list, tuples, dictionaries, strings, etc. On the other side, while loop runs as long as a condition remains true. For example, we have fruits equals to, for example, apple, then we have banana, then we have cherry, right? Then we say for example, if in fruits, then column, then in here we say print if, right? So apple, banana, cherry. There will be one counter. So first apple, second banana, and cherry will be printed here. The for loop iterates our each element in the list of fruits that we have. Then this f is a counter and it go one by one to the end. For example, we want to use a range function. For example, for I in range. So it's range, for example, 5. We will print 5 numbers starting from 0. Print I. So I will be equal to 0, I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So range 5, this function, this is a built-in function, generates numbers from 0 to 4. Then the for loop iterates over these numbers and print them one by one. We can also go for looping through a string. For example, we say word equals to Python, then we say for L in word, then we say print L, right? So Python, each letter of the word will be printed here. So we can also go for a while loop. So in here, for example, we say count equals to 0. Then we say while count is less than 5, print count, and then count is equal to count plus 1, right? So in this way, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 each time. So 0 will come here as count. It will be checked against this condition because it's still less than 5, so it will be printed. Then in here, count will be 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then again, 1 is less than 5, yes, 1 will be printed, then 1 plus 1, 2. Then again here, 2 is less than 5, yes, 2 will be printed, 2 plus 1, 3. Then again here, 3 will be here, 3 less than 5, yes, 3 will be printed, then 4. 4 is less than 5, yes, so 4 will be printed, 5. 5 is less than 5, no, then stop, right? So this here what we can do. Also, we can use break and continue in a for loop. For example, for n in range of, for example, 10, then we say if n equals to 5, then break, right? So then here, otherwise we say print n. So what happened here? The loop prints number 0 to 4. When the number is equal to 5, this loop will be break, stop. So n starts from 0, then 0 is not equal to 5, then 1 not equal to 5, 2 not equal to 5, 3 not equal to 5, 4 not equal to 5 will be printed. Then when n come to 5, it is equal to 5, stop. So there the loop will be stopped here. Also, we can use continue in a for loop. For example, I say for n in range of, for example, 5, in range of 5, if n equals to 2, then continue, right? Continue. Otherwise, print n. So what happens here? When the number is equal to 2, the continue skip the print statement and moves to the next one. So 0 will be printed, 1 will be printed, but 2 will not be printed. It jumped to 3 and 4. Also, in Python, we can use looping with else. For example, we say for I in range of 3, print I. Okay, print I. Else, print I. Else, print loop completed. Right? So range. So what happened here? 0, 1, 2, then it comes to 3. So 3 numbers already checked, 0, 1, and 3 printed. When finished, it will print this command, right? Loop is completed. And also we can go for while loop, the same. For example, we say n is equal to 0, then while n is less than 3, then print n, right? Print n, then number equal to number plus 1. Then we say else print while loop completed, right? While loop completed. So 0, 1, and 2 will be printed. When finished, it will print here while loop completed. We can also go for nested loops. For example, we say for I in range 3, for I in range 3, and again for j in range 2, right? 2 loops. Then we print if a string, then here we say I equals to I and j equals to j. Okay, so what happened here? In here, I counter goes from 0, 1, 2. This j counter goes from 0, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. This is how a nested loop works. So we can also go for list comprehension with loops. For example, we say squares equal to, for example, x in power of 2 for x in range 5, right? Then we say print s. So what happened here? Our range says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each one square. So 0 square, 0, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, and 4 square, 16. This is how it works. It's called as list comprehension. It creates a list of square numbers from 0 to 4. We also can go for looping through dictionary items. For example, we have a dictionary, and our dictionary is like data. For example, name equals to, like that, name is equal to Alice, age is 25, city is New York. Then for key, so in this dictionary we have key, value, key, value, key, and value. For key and value in data.items, print fscreen key and value, right? So name is Alice, age is 25, and city is New York, right? Also, in for loops, we can use enumerate function. For example, we say colors equals to, for example, red, blue, then we say green. Then in here we say for I for index color in enumerate colors, printf index and color, right? So 0 will be red, 1 will be blue, and 2 will be green. This enumerate provides both index and value while iterating our list. Also, we can use zip. So zip pairs elements from two lists together. For example, here we have like colors, this one. Then we say numbers for each color is equal to, for example, 1, 2, and 3, right? Then we say for colors and numbers in zip. Then we say colors and numbers, then print if a string colors and numbers, right? So you can see here red number 1, blue number 2, and green number 3. Then to generate a 10 by 10 multiplication table using some nested loops in a list. So for example, we say tables equals to I multiply j for j in range of what? 1 to, for example, 10, and in here we say for I in range of 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Then for row in table, we print row. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, then 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, up to 81. This is a multiplication table. The outer loop here iterates from 1 to 10. The inner loop goes to 1 to 9. Then inner loop also go to from 1 to 9. The result is this table where each cell contains the product of I and j, right? So another example here, for example, we have again like colors green, then also numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, and also we say, for example, shirts, for example, type, we say, for example, shirts, pants, and hat, right? Then we say for color number type in zip of colors, numbers, and types, right? Print color number and types. You can see. So you can see red 1 shirt, blue 2 pants, green 3 hats, right? This is how it works. Okay, here, for example, we have numbers. Numbers equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? Then we want to check if all numbers are odd. So for number in numbers, then if number mod 2 equals to 0, then we say print found an even number and break. Otherwise print all numbers are odd. All numbers are odd. Let's add 4 here. Found an even number. So this is how it works. Another example with while. So while true, then user input is equal to input enter tweets to exit, right? Then if user input is quit, break. Otherwise, you enter something. So let's say here, for example, I enter 4, it say you enter 4. 5, it say you enter 5. But if I enter quit, it's finished, right? So this is while with true. It means infinity, but here I made condition here to quit. Okay, so this is an easy lecture about for loop and while loop in Python. Very easy. Please practice and feel free to ask me if you have any question by leaving a comment below this video. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next lecture.